How to enable two-factor authentication on Gate.io or the Gate application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. To enable two-factor authentication for extra layer of security on your Gate account, first of all launch open the Gate application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile avatar or your profile picture. Now, after you are inside this page, tap on your username from the top and click on Security from the next page. Inside Security, go to the Authentication option and select an authenticator to protect your account with. You can also go ahead and add a passkey, enable Google Authenticator app, add an authenticator app, or enable phone number authentication. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the two-factor authentication option at the bottom and click on Enable. Now you'll need to download and install the Google Authenticator or the Gate Authenticator application, which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go ahead and download any one of them. I've already downloaded the Google Authenticator app, so I'm just going to tap on I've downloaded one. In your case, download the authentication app and first log in and make sure that you tap on this I've downloaded one option. Now on the next page, you'll need to verify your registered email. Go open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code in it. Tap on the send button to receive the email and you'll be receiving an email on your email inbox. Go open it up and click open the email from Gate. Now copy the 6-digit verification code inside the email and get back to the Gate app and paste in the email. You can also manually type it down if the paste thing is not working. And now tap on this key option, copy the key at the top. You'll see a QR code as well. You can open up the Authenticator app and scan the QR code or manually enter the key. Get back to the Google Authenticator app. You can also open Google Authenticator or the Gate Authenticator and tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Click on Enter a setup key. Paste in your key inside the Your Key tab. And then in the account name, let's type in Gate.io so that we can recognize it later. Now tap on Add and you've received this verification code under Gate.io. Just copy that code by tapping on it. Get back to the Gate application, paste in the code and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on the Gate account. Setting up two-factor authentication might feel like a small step, but it's one of the strongest shields you can add to your account security. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.